I live at the north, but this summer break I wanted to take a trip to the south. Well, not exactly south. We were going somewhere in the middle. We folded our clothes and packed our bags and left for this adventurous journey. We had heard that at this place there was a safari called the Secret Safari. There was a statue in the middle of the road of which you had to take 7 rounds to open the secret door. In the safari, there were lots of turns, but which excited all of us. So it was a fun trip overall. But my favorite moment of the safari was seeing the fox.